Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about the SSB Kapurthala, and I have visited there for my TES SSB TES 45 course. For this video, what will be my agenda? I will be discussing it first. My agenda first, I will be discussing about stay in Kapurthala, where you can stay and go when you ever you are going for your SSB. And secondly, I will be discussing about documentation, whatever document is required there, and what all the things they do check there. And thirdly, I will be discussing about OIR test, what topics they have asked there. I will be discussing that in detail. And at last, I will be discussing about PPDT test and some other things, that how many people get screened in and how many got screened out. So before we begin, uh, I was in 31st SSB Kapurthala. So let's start. You can visit this place, State Gurudwara. It is near the bus stand of Kapurthala. So I can give you a rough idea what is the direction from the bus stand. Like this, if it is a bus stand of Kapurthala, then you have to go in a straightforward direction, and in this direction you will get State Gurudwara. But it would be a better idea to ask locals where it is, and I am just giving a rough idea. So no problem, you can check it out on your Google Maps. So I have told you about where you can stay. There you can stay. I have stayed there, and for it is like 12 to 12, means 12 p.m. to 12, next day 12 p.m. You can stay there, and you have to pay 200 rupees for a room. Otherwise, there are free facilities too, but there is no security for your equipments or things that you are taking with you. So next thing I will be telling about OIR. Before that, documents, whatever documents they have asked there. First thing what they have asked, original 10th 12 mark sheet. They have checked it roughly. Roughly means they have not taken it, but they have asked every student, those who are sitting, we were sitting in chairs, and they ask us to open your mark sheet and take it in your hand and show this up, that you are having an mark sheet and original mark sheet of 10th or 12th. And those who were not having it, they ask them to come with them, and I don't know what they have done with them, but they have checked it roughly, so you should have it. And secondly, what they have asked is COVID-19 RT-PCR report, and that too from ICMR certified lab. If it is not certified from ICMR, then they will reject it. So you should confirm that you are taking report of ICMR certified lab, and in your report they will check that it is whether where it is written that it is RT-PCR report, and what is the ID of that lab, ICMR ID. Each lab got its ICMR ID, approval ID, so they'll check that. And other than that, no claim certificate for COVID-19, that you are not suffering from COVID-19. And also, if you got COVID-19 symptoms or something, they are not responsible for the same. You are taking your own responsibility. So for that they require one certificate. You can find that format on your call up letter. And fourth thing, they have asked for admit card. They should have roll number and your self attested photo. Okay, that's all they have asked for stage 1. These are the all documents. So next, OIR. The OIR that were there were the latest one. Latest one means DIPR, Defense Institute of Psychological Research. And OIR means, you must know, Officer Intelligence Rating Test. So in my first test, that was verbal, 22 minutes were given for 45 questions. Okay. And in next test, that was non-verbal, 19 minutes were given for doing 45 questions. Next I will be telling the topics that were asked. So in Burwell, the most of the questions from mathematical reasoning, approx 15 questions, that is a great amount from 45 questions they have asked from the topic mathematical reasoning, but it is little bit time consuming topic. And other than that, somewhat means one or two from analogy, and secondly number series, means number were there, they were in series and they have asked next number. And coding decoding 4 5 questions were there. I will be showing which type questions were there, wait for it. And next they have asked for odd one out. Other than that, alphabets were there in pair series. I will be showing how they were there, wait. See, one example I have taken, I cannot found same type of questions, so I have created one because I can remember what type question were there. One question I have created, see, means bus is to dash and aeroplane is to dash. Then there were 6 options, and at last from 4 option a pair of option is correct. So you have to select one. I have taken the approach of seeing the options first and matching it out like this. First if you will see, then bus, road, okay, it's good. Second, aeroplane is to rail, then it does not seems right. So like this I have checked 2 3 options, and after that you will get to know that fourth one is correct. Why? Bus is to road and what? Aeroplane is to air, because mode of transportation is like this. Means this is what analogy is in in this type of question. And next, in this type of question it would be more time consuming if you see each these 6 and what they were there. Other than that, you can directly check the options and get the right one. Next, mathematical reasoning. Like this question were there, means plus stand for multiplication and other symbols too. Then we have to solve this one. For this, I used to write somewhat these digits and see directly which symbol means minus, where it is, there it is. Then minus means addition, directly I will plus, and then other than that I will put and follow the BODMAS rule and directly will get answer. You can have your own approach, but practice it hard because most of the question were there. And and whatever is required is practice in it. So next question, so next type questions were like this. A means 1 and other numbers 2, alphabet and numbers relation. Then we have to find reception, how it will be coded. So this type questions were there for coding decoding. Few questions were there from coding decoding, most of from mathematical reasoning. And this is from alphabets, not alphabet, but number series. See 8 7 12 128, then next one number we have to find out. From this we have to answer one. Okay, this was another type of question that were asked. And next, find the odd one out. So in this type of question I can say that means little bit or most this type of question was asked to me, like intimacy, attachment, friendship, enmity. In this, what is odd? Everything related to enmity, other than enmity, is true, means following a pattern, but enmity is wrong. So it will be your correct answer, D. So for verbal, last type of question that I can remember was of this kind, means alphabets were in series like PQ, then RS, then TU, then next one we have to find out. From 4 option, one would be right. So other than that, verbal. So some of you may be having doubt that questions from direction were asked. Directions, you may know, like this one guy gone, then this, then where it is now. No. And next, cubes, blood relation. I can tell you that it is somewhat interesting thing that question from these topics were not asked. not even from direction, not even any type of question from cubes topic or from blood relation. These topics were not asked even a one question. So I will be telling about non-verbal. First, what type of question were asked? Most of the questions from pattern completion type question. I will be showing which type of pattern completion it were there. And next, series non-verbal. This type of question from this topic questions were there, and from classification topic. You can find this topic in DDE book, Defense Direct Education OIR book, if you have one, or you can find it online. So I will be showing the type of question were asked. See, the topic is classification. You can find it in DDE book, Defense Direct Education OIR book. So I have taken from that. You have to find out which one is odd. You have to see pattern and find which is odd in these figure. This type of question were asked. Okay, this topic is classification. Next was from most of the question from pattern completion. You should practice this kind of question, a lot of question. So in that some part is missing and you have to figure it out which one is correct. So this type of question were there. Next I can tell you pictures and series. Means 1 2 3 pictures were there, or 5 maybe. Then you have to figure it out. Last one will be like which option. This type of question were also there. At last, PPDT. For PPDT, okay. For PPDT, they have given us 30 seconds. Usually they give, and after that 5 minutes we have given for writing the story, and then we have given the instruction to circle the character we see first. Like I have seen in center one character first, then in center I have to circle the character and write its M for male, P for person, F for female, then their age, and after that plus for positive mood and minus for negative mood, 0 for neutral mood. Like this the instruction may be changed, so you have to listen carefully what they are saying. But somewhat interesting thing that they have said after writing the story, if someone is not able to write full story, then he can narrate the full part what he was trying to convey from the story, or what he have perceived. In narration he can narrate and also discuss on it. And also they have said that if someone want to change their story, then they can tell and then change their story. Okay, at last, what, when the discussion part was going on, they have divided us in around 18 to 19 candidates group, and in that they have divided in subsection half of people, so that we can have a good narration. First they said, like, if this group will have discussion first, then they will say next, and this one group will discuss. That they will decide that this one group will consist of which candidate, and this one group will consist of which chess number candidates. It was like that. So that's all for PPDT. And at last, result time. 31 people got screened in out of 300 people reported. And so that is one fact for stage 1 in Kapurthala. And in starting they have divided us in fresher, screened out, repeaters, and conference out. Repeaters are those who got merit out or somewhat medical problem they have faced and they came again. And conference out, those who cannot be recommended after 5 days SSB. And screened out, in first day those who got screened out. And freshers, those who are coming for the first time. So that's all. If you like this video, then you can hit that like button and subscribe this channel. And at last, I would like to say, we'll be seeing you in next video. So that's all for this video.